Simula sa dunk na akala mo na hindi papasok, hanggang sa lucky no-look shot na yan. Ito, ang mga luckiest moment in NBA history. Simulan natin sa lucky layup na ito.
Takeaway by Chicago. Dish ahead. The Cavs dumping in by accident by Cade.
What's that about being lucky versus good?
Rather be lucky than good, and you take them any way you can get them.
Yan talaga ang literal na swerte. At parang ganun na rin para kay Kyle Kuzma.
Oh, that goes in!
That's gotta count.
It does count. How lucky can you be but take it?
Nabitawan mo na yung bola, pumasok pa. At dahil lucky moment ang usapan, isali natin ang lucky 3-point shot ni Jordan Clarkson.
Ball swing to the corner. Wide open. Clarkson. Oh, he went Plinko on him, didn't he? Jordan Clarkson all over the map, and he knocked it down.
Nasobrahan sa lucky bounce. At kung may lucky bounce sa 3-point, syempre meron din yan sa slam dunk.
And apparently it did carry in.
Pero walang sinabi yan sa free throw na ito ni Jared Allen. At
Quote book presented by Geico. Jared Allen fouled on the play by Austin Rivers. Rolling down. Jared Allen, he touched every bit of the rim.
About a dozen times.
parang nag-flash ka lang ng toilet. Ibalik naman natin sa 1994, noong ginawa ni Isaiah Ryder ang one of the luckiest shot of all time.
Time to put it on the floor and get by.
Grabe! Paano pumasok yun? Pero hindi nalalayo dyan ang unintentional shot na ito ni Sean Livingston.
Steph was trying to get a foul there. And then, still on the ground. Got it to Sean. He backed it in. It was going to be a lob to JaVale, and he backed it in. Right? We've seen a lot of crazy stuff this season. That was the craziest.
Talaga nga namang swerte. Pero nakakita na ba kayo ng tirang tumama na ng 6 na beses sa rib bago pumasok?
Green back in a hurry with a flip shot. Yep.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 bounces.
That's direct.
Kahit siya hindi makapaniwala. Pero maswerte pa rin itong si Manu Ginobili. Dahil at isang pasa sana ay naging basket pa.
I didn't see a sense of urgency there.
Ginobili. That's a three. The ball didn't go through the net.
The officials, I think,
went through the net.
that was a basket.
Yeah, the ball went in.
The officials were unaware that was a good basket. It was an intended pass.
It's actually a three-pointer.
Ultimong mga referee hindi alam na pumasok yun. Speaking of unintentional buckets, panoorin mo ang tirang ito ni Gorgie Dieng.
On the lob, throws it in. Oh, he gets a
Sa best, napaganda pa. Naging hook shot. Pero what if wala ka naman control sa bola? But still, ganito ang nangyari.
and somehow Booker taps it in.
Look at that. Ricky loses it. Devin loses it. And it hits off his forearm.
Yan ang totoong meaning ng 0% skill. At isunod natin ang one of the luckiest dunk ni Russell Westbrook.
Westbrook. Oh, it goes in.
Westbrook with a big smile.
Westbrook blows the jam, but then gets the shooter's roll.